Friends, Huawei Y9A comes with Android 10, EMUI 10.1, but there is no Google Play services, and powered by MediaTek Helio G80 processor with 2.2 GHz octa-core and GPU Mali G52 MC2. Whereas Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro runs Android 9.0 Pie, MIUI 10 user interface and powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor with 2.84 GHz octa-core and GPU Adreno 640. If we see the display of this device, you can find 6.63 inches screen size with IPS LCD display that comes with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels with 397 ppi pixels density. Whereas Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro is 6.39 inches device with Super AMOLED display having resolution 2340 by 1080 pixels with 403 ppi pixels density and comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection. Talking about the internal memory, then Huawei Y9A is available in 128GB with 6 or 8GB RAM and also supports up to 256GB nano shared memory. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in space silver, sakura pink and midnight black colors. Moving on to Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro, it is available in different variants of the primary storage. One is 256GB with 8GB RAM, 128GB with 6 or 8GB RAM and 64GB with 6GB RAM, but there is no microSD support. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in carbon black, flame red and glacier blue colors. If we talk about the dimension of Huawei Y9A, it measures 163.5 by 76.5 by 9 mm of height, width, thickness and 197 grams of weight with a dual nano SIM support. Whereas Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro measures 156.7 by 74.3 by 8.8 mm of height, width, thickness and 191 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. About the camera, then Huawei Y9A comes with quad camera setup that is 64, 8, 2 and 2 megapixels with 1.8, 2.4, 2.4 and 2.4 apertures respectively with wide angle, ultra wide angle, macro and depth sensor. It shoots out videos of 4K and full HD at 30 frames per second and also equipped with a motorized selfie camera of 16 megapixels with 2.2 aperture wide angle and that can record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera of Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro, it comes with triple primary cameras like 48 plus 8 plus 13 megapixels with 1.8, 2.4 and 2.4 apertures with wide telephoto, ultra wide angle and 2x optical zoom. It shoots out videos of 2160p at 30 or 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30, 120, 240 and 960 frames per second. Also equipped with 20 megapixels secondary selfie camera with 2.2 aperture, HDR, 1080p recording at 30 frames per second. Friends, in Huawei Y9A you can find side mounted fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like proximity, compass, accelerometer and a gyroscope. This phone comes with Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth, dual band GPS, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go and fast battery charging. This phone is powered by a non-removable 4200 mAh battery as well. Whereas in Redmi K20 Pro you can find under display fingerprint scanner. Moreover, it is having different sensors like accelerometer, gyroscope, compass and proximity sensors. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, FM radio, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go and fast battery charging. This phone is also powered by non-removable 4000 mAh battery as well. So that was the quick comparison of both the smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.